Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a clock needle. First, carefully observe your clock to determine the exact issue. Is the hand simply loose, or is it bent and catching on another hand or the clock face? You'll need a small jeweler's screwdriver, fine-tip tweezers, and a magnifying glass. Prepare a clean, well-lit area to work, as clock components are tiny and easily misplaced. Next, you'll need to access the clock's internal mechanism. Carefully remove the back cover or the front bezel, depending on your clock's design. Many clocks have a small nut or screw securing the hands to the central shaft. If it's a friction fit, you might need a specialized clock hand puller, or you can gently pry them off using two small, flat tools, being careful not to bend them. Now, let's fix the needle itself. If it's bent, gently straighten it with flat-nosed pliers or tweezers, applying minimal pressure. Clean any debris from the central shaft and the needle's mounting hole. Carefully reattach the needle, ensuring it sits flush and has ample clearance from other hands and the clock face. Aim for at least 1 millimeter of space between each hand to prevent future catching. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Carefully put the clock back together, securing the cover or bezel. Set the correct time and observe the clock's movement for at least a few hours. Watch closely to ensure all hands move smoothly and don't catch on each other or the clock face. If you notice any issues, gently open it up again and make minor adjustments until everything runs perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.